Okay, hi and welcome. Due to my spine issue, I had to lower my motorbike by 1 inch so I can have my feet sitting flat on the ground and easier to mount and dismount. So let's have a look how I went about it. Okay, this is what I've ordered from America, from Motorwerk, and this is to lower the Kawasaki X300 by 1 inch. What I did is I purchased the lowering kit, as you can see on the left of the picture. There's 2 dog bones pieces that need to be replaced. It's just a different length, a shorter length obviously, and the handlebar risers with the longer bolts. Also, they mentioned that no modification to the kickstand is required for a 1 inch lowering kit. Now, this is not true. I found that the bike was not stable on the kickstand, not at all. So I had to have it shortened by another inch, and the dealer did that. And cost me only 400 pesos, so very cheap, but you must do it. Okay, you can get all the instructions. Okay, you can download all the instructions from the website and get them printed. What I did is that I just gave them to the dealer to get the job done. Very simple. Okay, just a quick video on my Kawasaki. So I did lower it by 1 inch, and what it will consist of is the one here. Do you see that? This one here. There's 2 of those. So those one are shorter. Also, what they've done is that they lower the front suspension at the 25mm as well. The handlebar, as you can see, it's been raised with the little block here. Yeah. Okay, and I just got to finish the modification of the side stand peg. So they cut it and welded by 25mm. And I had to do this because my back, it's very hard for me to lift my leg and very hard for me to have a proper balance. I need to have my 2 feet flat on the ground. It's very important for me because I don't have enough strength on my back to hold the bike if it's leaned too much on one side or the other. So I had to do that. Now the cost to do this modification, I didn't do myself because I don't have the right tool. It cost me 2,500 pesos, and the modification of the peg 400 pesos. So all up 2,900 pesos for them to do that for me, and I'm pretty happy. I didn't have to bother. They did a very good job. So that's it. Okay, so I'm pretty happy now. Yeah, there's a few more accessories I would like to fit on, but such as a LED light, because some area here they're very dark, and in the countryside it's pretty hard to see with this kind of light. It's not sufficient, honestly. And I want to put the side engine frame to protect all the side here in case I drop it, and also in case of accident that protect your legs pretty much. Side bags, rear bags, the side rear bags, yeah, I like to put that in as well. That'll be a good thing. I think I got enough with my things here. I installed a dual USB plug here, which is connected to the engine power. So I got here my phone holder. It's an old one, but it's very good. I really like it. I bought another one, but it's not big enough because I went to a bigger farm now, and it just doesn't suit. This is for my GoPro. Oh, my little holder, it's in the somewhere else safe, so they don't pinch it, and that's pretty good. Yeah, so I'm pretty well set up now. Still working hard there. Almost finished. Not really. So I'm pretty happy. Yeah, later on we'll just go for a little ride to the promenade and just watch the sunset. We'll go with my baby here. Anyway, that's it, all done. All pretty good. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm still waiting for my plate from the LTO, local transport office, and also I'm waiting on this one here, but this one I bought after, so this is the Mio 125. This one's cost me 70,000 pesos here in Dipolog, and it's going very, very well actually. It's pretty good. Anyway, and yeah, I'll be waiting for the plate there as well. 3 to 4 months. So I don't care, I'm not in a hurry. Alright, let's go inside now. Oh, we're listening to some music now. Hello? All good? Okay, I just took it for a ride to test everything, and it's going really, really well. No problem. I see no difference. The whole geometry of the motorbike's not changed anyway. All the basic is there. It just everything went down lower. That's all. So it's pretty good. Just gone for a ride here to test the bike and also see one of those beautiful sunsets in the Dipolog Boulevard. Cheers.
Video.
Getting hungry.
Ada lagi wes? Aku antara Tina guys.
Let's have some barbecue there.